What up? Good morning. Chet, Superior Straight Line Fencing. Behind me you can see all the 2x6x16 Conhart rails we're going to install today, top and bottom. This is a wire fence. Sometimes they get top rails and bottom rails, sometimes they don't. So today you're going to see some fence going in. I hope you enjoy the video. If you're watching this on Facebook, please follow me. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe, like, share, comment. You know the drill. Let's get it. This is how you top the post. Quick and easy. Whoop whoop. I absolutely love it when the posts line up perfect. Sheesh. Now that's a straight fence. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, baby. Okay, this is how we stretch a wire fence. Enjoy. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a top and bottom rail woven wire fence 2x4 mesh. Here's the finished product. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Whoop whoop.